Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and good evening, my friends. So, quick tour to my kitchen: mud pot, mud glass, air fryer, small bucket to collect the wastewater from the purifier which I use for plants. And the corner area of my kitchen is my favorite, where I have this Oakley, then the Silvatta, then iron का तवा. आयरन तवा की एक अच्छी स्टोरी है, मैं आपको बताऊंगी थोड़ी देर में. Then my gas stove, and I move right, I see some these utensils, and then mixie masala ka dabba, then all mixture ke dabbe, then I have microwave, then the sandwich maker, my fridge, everything consolidated in one place, so that every anything I need is handy for me to pick up. And a small kind of table you see in the front, where we generally at times do some chopping or whatever is needed. So this is how my small kitchen setup look like, where and in the down you can see these drawers where I keep all the vessels, and on top is a chajja where we keep the not required stuff. My Bengaluru, my favorite city where we live in. So, guys, this is my dining area where we sit and enjoy the food. And since me being Punjabi, Punjabi house is incomplete without a special food, which I'm going to show you now. Yes, you guessed it right. It is dal tadka. सो मूंग दाल की रेसिपी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. मूंग दाल तड़का जो आप रेस्टोरेंट में जनरली खाते होंगे with lot of ghee and all. I will not put too much of ghee, but I will show you how exactly I can make it, which will be not fully healthy but kind of healthy, because उसमें घी है बट ज़्यादा तो नहीं डाला मैंने. एंड उसके लिए आपने देखा मैंने प्याज लिए हैं, अदरक लहसुन, मिर्ची, टोमेटोज़, एंड थोड़े से लहसुन को अलग रखा हुआ है फॉर द सेकेंड टेम्परिंग. वी डू जनरली 2 टेम्परिंग इन इट. सो अच्छे से चॉप करके इसको अब अपने इसमें पत्थर में कूटेंगे अच्छे से. अपनी ताकत पूरी लगानी पड़ेगी इसमें. तो जितना आपको चाहिए, कितना मोटा चाहिए, बारीक चाहिए, दरदरा चाहिए, किस तरह का चाहिए, आप उस तरह से पेस्ट बना लो. बट मिक्सी में नहीं बनाओ, बिकॉज इसका फ्लेवर और मिक्सी में बने हुए का फ्लेवर बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. सो वी जनरली यूज़ ओखली फॉर दिस. सो आप देखो यहाँ टेक्सचर, it is perfect for the tadka. So this is where I live. I will not make more fine, so leave it to as it is. And then I'll move to the next step, where I will have my kadhai on the gas, and the small one, you can see the small iron pan, which is for the second tempering. तो थोड़ा घी डाला है मैंने, ज़्यादा तो नहीं डाला है, मे बी 2 स्पून से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, 2 टेबल स्पून भी नहीं है वो. और इसमें अब मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ, आपको वीडियो दिखाती हूँ. ऑलरेडी मैंने दाल को तो उबाल के रख लिया है, धो के. मूंग दाल जितना आपको चाहिए उसके अनुसार आप अपनी क्वांटिटी रखो, उसको सोक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 3-4 बार अच्छे से वॉश करो. उसके बाद एक विसल लगाना है, ज़्यादा नहीं, नहीं तो वो बहुत इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी फाइन पेस्ट एंड इट डजंट टेस्ट दैट ग्रेट. तो सबसे पहले हींग डाला मैंने, चुटकी भर हींग, अ पिंच ऑफ हींग, and then very little methi, and then I put little jeera, then this paste which I have made, ginger garlic with green chili, and keep stirring it, otherwise it will start sticking to the pan. And after you have fried it, this has to be little golden in color, rather little more than golden, I would say, not very dark red, little brown kind. And then we will add onion. So I have taken about 2 medium size onion, because the masala has to come well. Otherwise, if you have very little masala and more dal, then you will not get the right taste. So I will put now some onion. You can see the texture of this ginger garlic. Now onion I will add, and I will keep stirring this onion so that it becomes a golden brown. Again, it shouldn't be burnt, it shouldn't be very dark red in color, it should be uh, before it becomes dark brown, we will stop at that phase. So that's how you fry these onions, right? So you can see this onion how I'm frying. So you have to keep stirring it in between, you cannot just leave it unattended. And see this dal which I have already boiled and kept. to add it in the kadhai later on. So and मूंग दाल के बारे में everybody knows, right? अगर आप weight management करना चाहते हो, so मूंग दाल is the best. It has high fiber, it is high protein, so and dal is any time better. So and it goes very well with paratha, roti, fulka, चपाती और दाल, I'm sorry, और चावल. तो जैसे हम चावल सांभर खाते हैं वैसे आप दाल चावल खाओ, थोड़े पापड़ साथ में सेक लो, दैट्स इट. तो दिस गिव्स अ वेरी गुड टेस्ट when you are making hot and eating with chapati or roti. So बीच बीच में ना अगर आप देखोगे I keep putting little bit of water in between at times because मैंने घी ज़्यादा नहीं डाला है, तेल भी बहुत कम डाला है, तो actually this onion will start sticking to the pan. So to avoid it I keep just थोड़े से shower of I just do that, and then we'll add tomatoes. Again I have taken about 2 medium sized tomatoes. So you should finely chop the tomatoes. You can either grate it or cut it. I prefer, actually I have taken one tomato grated and one chopped so that it gives a good consistency in the in dal. So that is how this masala is made. So I have to keep stirring in so that it gets cooked well. So I will cover it for a while so that the tomato, because tomato generally takes little longer than onion to get cooked, and little bit of salt you should add while you have added tomato so that it gets softened faster. So while this is getting cooked I will just make the second tempering ready so that later on I do not spend again some time making this tempering. So you see this very little of oil I have taken, and you can see smoke coming out of it because it is very hot, and since it is iron pan so it gets very hot. So thoda sa jeera, very little of jeera because already I have added jeera in the main tempering, and then garlic of course, which I showed you earlier. Little garlic I had kept aside for the second tempering, and it has to get brown, it has to get little brown in color, not how I suggested earlier for onion. This has to get brown, and in between I'll keep checking whether the tomatoes are cooked well or not. If it is cooked then we will have to start adding the masala. Once this garlic is kind of red in color, then we'll add little red chili powder, how muchever you want, basis your requirement. So there is no rule as so much, 1 spoon, 2 spoon. It's again depends on you. If you like more spicy, you can add little more, depends on your taste absolutely. So you can see now this tomatoes are kind of cooked, and now it's a time for me to, I think, add masala. So I will show you how much and what I am adding. So first we'll put little green chili powder because red chili powder, because green chili was already along with garlic and ginger I had added. धनिया पाउडर आप ठोक ठोक के डालो, मतलब अच्छे से डालना, कंजूसी से नहीं डालना. एंड लिटिल ऑफ गरम मसाला, आई वुड से आई हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल स्पून्स इन माई मसाला डब्बा विच यू कैन सी. तो थोड़े से, वेरी लिटिल ऑफ, आई मीन हाफ ऑफ दैट स्पून विच इज़ देयर, और if I talk about teaspoon, half teaspoon is good enough. So you can see then this is giving a very good look to the masala already. And इसमें oil, till the oil separates from the masala, you have to keep frying it. So you can see very little of oil I can see, because I have not added, I mean sorry, not oil, I would say the ghee. Since I have not added too much of ghee in this masala, hence you do not see too much of oil left. Now you see this that dal is been added, and उसको हल्के हाथों से हम हिलाएंगे. I mean ज़्यादा don't do boxing with dal, because otherwise it will become again paste. So very softly, gently you have to mix this dal with the masala which I have already shown you. So there is nothing much to do with this dal, and trust me guys, if you add little more ghee to it now while cooking, if you are a ghee lover, I mean we also love ghee, but since because of health consciousness we do not put too much of ghee, but otherwise we use ghee. Punjabi house without ghee cannot be, it can't be. And you see this tawa, I was telling you, right? I will tell you something about this tawa. So this tawa has a good story. My neighbor who are Marwadis, I had been to their house and I saw them making nice fulka roti on this kind of iron tawa, which I was looking for. Same kind of tawa I was looking for in Bangalore for a long time. I couldn't find it. I was getting different varieties, but not the same kind of how I saw in her house. So I insisted, ki get me this. And they were planning to go during summer vacation to their hometown, Rajasthan. And I really appreciate they took extra effort to get me this tawa, and I'm always thankful to them. सो जब भी मैं ये तवे को यूज़ करती हूँ ना, एक थैंक यू तो ज़रूर निकालती हूँ अपने दिल से उनके लिए. सो दे आर सो काइंड, यू नो, सो दैट आई मीन अदरवाइज कौन लेके आता है इतना भारी. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 3 kgs, right? This tawa weight is 3 kgs, and they have to bring for me for all the way from Rajasthan, so which is always appreciated. And thank you, uh, thank you for to that family always, बिकॉज मेरा मन था कि मैं आयरन के तवे में रोटी बनाऊं, बिकॉज मेरे पास है लेकिन उसका हैंडल इतना गर्म हो जाता है ना, तो मैं यूज़ नहीं कर पाती थी. तो इसका हैंडल जो है लकड़ी का है एंड इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट. तो मैं आपको एक रोटी भी बना के दिखाऊंगी कि हाउ आई डू. एंड माई दाल इज़ मिक्सड वेल. आई हैड पुट लिटिल कोरिएंडर लीव्स एंड give a good boil to it, not a very long boil, but good boil to it, and then it is ready to serve. You can see me serving in the glass bowl. एंड जो सेकेंड टेम्परिंग रेडी की थी मैंने, वो मैं अब इसके ऊपर एक लेयर लगाऊंगी. हाउ मच एवर यू वांट यू कैन ऐड. आई हैव नॉट पुट टू मच बिकॉज दिस, I mean, I don't think my son or my husband will love it because it will become very spicy. But however, I have put it quite a lot for them to get the flavor of it. So this is how the dal tadka is made in Punjabi's house. And we spend a lot of money buying this tadka dal in restaurant. Trust me, you make it at home. I am telling you, you will love it, and it will be better than the restaurant. And now you see the roti. I had rolled the roti fulka, and now I'll show you how I make it on this special tawa given from my neighbor family. So जब रोटी हम लगाते हैं ना, अगर उसको फुलाना है तवे के ऊपर, माई इंटेंशन टू गेट दिस तवा वॉज टू यूज़ इट फॉर मेकिंग रोटी completely on the tawa, not on gas. I don't want to make this roti on gas directly because the flame is not that I mean safe. और आप देखिए गुब्बारे के जैसा, पूरी की जैसे रोटी बनी है मेरी. सो एंड दिस इज़ रेडी टू बी सर्व्ड. I mean, you can make paratha also. I'll show you in one of the videos as how to make different kind of parathas. So मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा है सत्तू का पराठा आप बताओ कैसे बनता है, तो मैं आई विल शो यू दैट रेसिपी एज वेल. और उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा घी लगा लो आप. अगर अच्छे से आप ज़्यादा लगाना चाहते हो तो ज़्यादा लगा लो, बट सिंस इट इज़ फॉर माई सन सो आई पुट लिटिल घी. अदरवाइज वी डोंट यूज़ घी फॉर आवर फुल्का. एंड इट हैज़ कम आउट वेरी सॉफ्ट फ्रेश फुल्का और रेडी टू सर्व. माई सन इज़ गोइंग टू एन्जॉय द बाइट. इट्स लिटिल हॉट, सो फू कर रहा है वो. And I'm sure he will like it. Yeah, so I'm sure you will also like this recipe if you try it at home. So guys, do like, subscribe and share with your friends if you like my video. Bye bye.